Hey guys, so today we're gonna explore the solar system. So we're not starting with Earth, so we're gonna start with Mercury. So let's go find Mercury. One of these white stars has to be Mercury. What kind of... Okay, that's the moon over there. Can we actually see the moon from Earth? I cannot see, it's like invisible. I see some like galactic center clouds. This is the galactic center, and I can see galactic center cloud for no reason. It looks like we're near the galactic center, but we're not. As you can see, we're actually far away from the galactic center. We're like right over here in this tiny strip of area, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 strips to get all the way to the Milky, all the way to the galactic center. Is there gonna be some planets in the galactic center? Well, in the galactic center, there's the supermassive black hole, which is called Sagittarius A star. Can we find Alpha Centauri? No, we're just gonna explore our first planet. The first planet from the sun. Let's go to it. We're heading towards Mercury, as you can see on the bottom right. As you can see on the right. So where's the sun at? Here it is. See the sunspots. We're a bit closer. There's Mercury, and let's see. It has like a rocky. It's a rocky planet. No atmosphere. No water. Just rocks. Just rocks and craters. Sometimes gold and diamonds. I've seen that in like pictures. Or is it just me seeing things? It's probably just me. Alright, let's go towards its... So we have locations. Let's go to this one. Okay, let's go. That's taking us towards its dark side. So let's land on that place I marked. Alright, it looks like we're on Mercury, and we have to mark it with the X. So we can like, remember where we traveled. And then if you zoom out, and you can still see Mercury. And then here's the other galaxies, light years. Hey, enough messing around. We're about to explore our next planets. Let's go to Venus. As you can see, this is Venus. Most people they think it's like a dwarf gas planet, but it's actually full of land. As you can see, it says 2024 January 25th. That's today. 23:34 CST. So let's go this spot. Let's land on it. Let me show you the correct. See, there's rock. There's like some... Venus has an atmosphere, no water, just acid. and very extreme temperatures. Because Venus is the hottest planet. You thought Mercury is, but it's Venus, actually. I searched it on Google. Okay, now let's mark it with the X, just like we did to Mercury. Okay, X. Let's get out of here. And go. And did we mark it with the X? Yes, sir. And now, third planet away from the sun, our home, Earth. Let's go towards it. Let's go. Right, Earth. So let's go find a place to sit. I'm thinking, I'm thinking Australia. So let's land over here in this desert area of Australia. I thought I broke the game. Okay, so land. So I already know what Earth looks like, so I'm not going to talk about anything about Earth, but we're just going to talk about its moon. So Earth's moon, we know all about today. Since it's already nighttime, like right now, I'm on Australia where it's daytime. Okay, so we're not exploring the planet's moons though. We're just exploring their own planet. Okay, now let's mark it with an X, just like we did to Mercury and Venus. And now mark it with an X. And let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Okay. 60 kilometers. We're out of here. Oh yeah, I did some. Okay, next is Mars. Here we are at Mars. Actually, humans are planning to send a colony over to Mars. I'll give you a little bit of fun fact. So we're not exploring their moons. Like you see, Phobos and Deimos. We're not exploring both of them. We're exploring the planet itself. So let's go land in one of these cloudy spots, craters, whatever. Okay, now we're inside Mars. Look, it has actual clouds, but okay. So let's go mark it as an X, just like Mercury, Venus, and Earth, just like the rest of the planets. Okay, now we marked it. Let's get out of here. Yeah. Goodbye, Mars. Now we're heading towards Jupiter, the fifth planet away from the sun. Okay, we're gonna get there. Here we are. This is egg-shaped Earth. I mean Jupiter. Egg-shaped Jupiter. What are these lines? What are those lines? Does Jupiter have rings? Huh? It has like 1,000 moons, but it has rings too. Let's go find its red spot. Is it in the dark? No, it's not in the dark. Wait a second. If I can. Well, I found it. It's in the dark spot. It's in the dark side. Okay, let's go land on Jupiter. I don't know if we can land on Jupiter. Yes, we can, boys. Let's go to its surface. How does Jupiter have the same clouds? Just the same. Have the same, like, atmosphere thing. Same as Earth. This is weird. At least it's Jupiter, though. So let's mark Jupiter. Okay, mark it. Okay, now mark it with an X. And now let's get out of here. Okay, I'm trying to get out of here. Okay. Now we're out of here. You can see it's little stacked gas clouds. So we have marked almost. Now it's time for my favorite planet, Saturn. I have two favorite planets, Earth and Saturn. Let's go towards my second favorite. We all know Saturn has rings and stuff like that. We already know. So let's go land on its rings if we can. So let's go. Can we land on its rings? Same atmosphere as Jupiter and Earth. Weird. Really weird. Is that gonna happen to the rest of the gas giants that are out there in the universe? I think so. Let's go mark it with the X. Now we're going to Uranus. Let's go to Uranus. But first I gotta figure out how to get out of Saturn. Okay, I know how to get out. Because I did that to, like, most of the planets. Okay, now it's time for Uranus. Here is Uranus. Look at all its different moons and its facing up rings. There we go. But if you turn it over, it looks like Saturn. But now, if you put it to more normal mode, it looks like the actual Uranus. So let's go. So this is now it's all its moons. No. Don't mark it just yet. I'm just messing up. Let's go to Uranus. So I'm just gonna land over here. Everything's fine. Can we see its rings though? I'm gonna go further in. Looks like it does not have an atmosphere. Okay. Let's go mark with the X then. Hello? Is the game registering? Or not? No, I'm not tapping on different stars. Oh, this is weird. This is very weird. How do I get out of Uranus? Uranus is way too hard to get out. Has no atmosphere. I cannot, like, mark it. I'm using the best I can with my fingers, and the game is not even registering. Whatever. Let's get out of here. How about if we do it outside of its surface? Okay. I'm out of Uranus. I'm at Uranus's hard atmosphere. So now let's just mark it with the X instead. X. There you go. Next is Neptune. We're here right now. Whoa. Why does Neptune look like that? It's supposed to have dark, a little bit blue dark. But now it's changed. Whatever. Let's see if Neptune actually has a hard atmosphere like Uranus's. There we go. Looks like the same, but let's go mark it with the X. I'm sorry guys, if you really want Pluto, I have to follow with NASA's rules. So I guess that's the end. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.